Sex is better than getting ghosted. But first I want to ask God for forgiveness of my fornication sins, the idea, the imagination of it, and the real thing. But sex is better than getting ghosted. And getting ghosted is the question you might ask. That's when somebody just flat out, without no warning, no signs, just flat out quit talking to you, quit dealing with you. It's a sick feeling, I guess, right? It'd be a terrible feeling for somebody you, especially if you thought something was going good, and all of a sudden, whap, whap, boom, bam, nothing. Sounds like fighting words. Sounds embarrassing. So sex is better than getting ghosted. The ghost disappears, right? So something was there and then it's no more. And that makes you want to have a war. And sometimes domestic violence occurs. All kinds of things blossom like a flower out of this type of behavior. But my man Prince said in one of his songs, instead of the bombs crackling in the sky and there's war, I'd rather be making love to you on the couch. Word to Chris Brown, Motell, Granite, Great. I love y'all.